Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present my article entitled Baik, ulang. I will present my article entitled Analysis of Scientific Explanation Ability Indicator in IPBA Lecture Scope Overview. My name is Nurul Fajri Saminan and for co-author Anji Swandi and Syafrija. Baik. Introduction for my article are scientific explanation is one the main goal in learning science, namely physics. One of the transformation of the studies of physics is earth and space science. 3. Everyone will have a tendency to explain phenomena that occur in nature based on observation made. But not all of these explanations are scientific explanations. 4. This scoping review aim to college relevant studies in the literature on scientific explanation as a must-have skill in earth and space science learning. And then this research can reveal how scientific explanation is developed in the learning progress by cues indicator from scientific explanation and expected learning outcome. Berikut metode yang saya gunakan, yaitu I'm for the 5-step RSK and O'Malley framework. 1. Identify the research question. 2. Identify relevant research by including research relevant to the last 10 years using the keyword scientific explanation plus learning physics plus ESS. 3. Study selection through inclusion and exclusion criteria. 4. Grab the data with the selected article and map them with various dimensions. 5. Compiling summary and reporting the result of the selected research from the last 10 years, which will be presented in the research result and discussion. Berikut hasil dari artikel saya. For the artikel untuk menganalisis indikator scientific explanation, ada 31 sumber. Yang pertama ada Go 2016, risetnya indikatornya evident and climb. 2. oleh Wang, research indicator for claim evidence and reasoning. 3. Karadzic et al. Research indicator for claim, bukti, alasan, dan sanggahan. After Yao and Guo, research indicator phenomena theories and tools. Tang and Rapa, research indikatornya premise, reasoning, and research. Britton and Wisit, research indicator cunning how to interpret, generate, and evaluate evidence, understand the nature of. Tang 2016, research indicator scientific explanation for premise, reasoning, and research. Tang 2015, research for indicator, principle, reasoning, and research. Yao dan Guo, research indicator for phenomena theory, data, and tool. And then Club and Start, research indicator scientific explanation, theory, evidence, phenomena, and multiple perspective. Alameh dan Khalik, research indicator scientific explanation for model Hempel, DN, deductive nomologies. Wageman, research indicator scientific explanation, model deductive nomologies. Andrade et al. Analysis, indicator scientific explanation, conceptual framework, relevancy, nature of causality, and level of representation. Ogundeji, research for the indicator scientific explanation, conceptual framework, and understanding. Yeo and Gilbert, resultnya function from and level. Chang 2015, research indicator scientific explanation for principle, resonancing, and research. Tang and Rapa, research indicator for premise, reasoning, and research. Tang 2016, indicator scientific explanation for premise, reasoning, and research. Nawawi et al. Research indicator scientific explanation presenting hooking activities, formulating question, constructing causal stories, using authentic data, scientific fact, principle, discussing and reviewing causal story, applying causal mechanic knowledge. Gilman et al. Indicator for object properties, problem, logical relation between object, structure are used to explain knowledge. Twin. 19th article related to scientific explanation for learning physics. Discussion for the article. In the result of the literature, physics learning is very sustainable for improving scientific explanation skill because science learning, especially physics, is related to event or phenomena that occur in everyday life. Different physics content was found even regarding in the IPBA phenom, namely the concept of season differency. And then this meant that the concept of physics can be proven and occur in life and are strengthened by law. In future research, it is possible to use indicator of claim, evidence, reasoning, and research for scientific explanation. And then conclusion for the article. This scoping review really explore various indicators of scientific explanation that support physics learning, especially in EPBR learning. The use of the inquiry model is more dominant in scientific explanation, so that scientific explanation can be cited to explain phenomena that occur based of evidence by requiring students to interpreting data and profit argument and result. Scientific explanation also makes students able to determine a research question. Why these phenomena occur? What theory support this phenomena? Applying it based on evidence and refuted using recognition. Finally, thank you. Terima kasih for ICMS CE 2021. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.